Majesty. I'm afraid worms ate all of our supplies.
Well then, so we steal the village's supplies. Should be no trouble,
And, should we send Shoko then?
Obviously, you numbskull. Who else would we send? Shoko!
Come on, Najima. You're almost there. A real ninja never gives up. Got it! Thanks, Hero. I hope someday I get to be a real ninja like you. All I did was help you pick an apple. But if you want to see a real ninja move, watch out. Yeehaw! Yeah! Wow! Whoa!
Taking a little nap, are we, Hero?
He was showing me a new ninja move. You guys done apple picking already?
I am, but Fudo did more eating than picking.
Too bad. I only had a couple apples, tops. Give them more!
They're ours now. Nice and juicy.
Hey, Shoko, want a taste of my hammer, too?
The mangy ninnies! You did great, Najima. That move was worthy of a real ninja. You mean I'm really a ninja now? Well, yeah, kind of. Though you'd need a few missions under your belt first to, A mission? I am so ready!
Hero, they got away with the cart.
Hurry! Okay, let's go! Najima, you wait for us here. But you just said...
Hero,
Aika?
come quick. It's a disaster. Najima's run off after Shoko. Najima? But it's way too dangerous. What's gotten into him?
My bad. I might have led him to believe he was a ninja. I freed a samurai earlier, but Najima thought he did it, and I didn't set him straight. He was just too happy.
Oh, no. Hero, what have you done? We have to get to Najima before Shoko does. Najima! Nice going, Hero. Now we lost him. You should have told him the truth.
But I didn't want to crush his spirits. You should have seen the smile on his face. He looked so thrilled.
Here, found some footprints. They look like samurais.
Najima could be in danger. Let's go. Run all you want, Shoko, but a real ninja never gives up. Look. The good news is Najima didn't get captured by Shoko.
And the bad news is we still have no idea where he is.
We know.
Wow, you're a real ninja too, Fudo.
About that, speaking of real ninjas, wasn't there something you wanted to say, Hero?
Well, yes. Actually, Najima... It's okay. I get it. You want me to come with you so we can all get those apples back together. What? And look what I brought to bring me luck on my mission. It's my lucky charm. Huh? That looks just like me. How sweet. The resemblance is uncanny, isn't it?
You have to set him straight, or I will.
Okay. I need to tell you something. You see, the thing with ninjas is that, they must protect their own. So you have to get back to the village. Now, off you go. I'll meet you there later. Promise. If I must, as a ninja, then okay.
You call that setting him straight?
So what? It doesn't matter as long as he's safe. I'll come clean later. Once we get those apples back.
Huh?
Hey, Shoko. How do you like them apples?
You rotten ninjas! I'll make apple muss out of you! Ow!
Najima?
Get rid of that meaty ninny!
I told you to head back to the village! Fire! Najima? Where are you?
Look! Najima's ragdoll! He must have gone away and gone back to the village.
Hurry up! Let's catch up with him.
Yeah! The cart! Get it back! Oh, great! How am I supposed to get the cart back now? Well,
Let go!
I may have lost the cart, but it looks like I might still win the war.
Ouch!
Huh?
Hey, Mini Ninnies. If you want your piece of Mini Ninny back, return the apples to me and bring them to the Temple of Wishes. I won't wait long.
Huh. You guys were right. I never should have lied to Najima. But we should be on the lookout. You two watch the cart. I'll go and free Najima.
Hero, no! It's a trap! Shoko meant to get you alone!
Hero! Behind you!
Oh, Hero! Ha-ha! One ninny down for the count.
Fudo!
Last but not least.
Leave Hero alone! Najima, stay where you are!
I'm a ninja! I can take her down!
You can't! I lied to you! I'm the one who freed the samurai back by the apple tree. I didn't see anything because I didn't want to hurt your feelings.
So, does that mean I'm not a real ninja? Come on! We've wasted enough time! Back to the fortress! Ashita will be pleased.
I may not be a real ninja, but I can't let Hero down.
Ow! It's probably that mincing beanie thinking he can outsmart me again.
Najima?
Huh? Just what is going on here?
Good job, Najima. That was worthy of a real ninja in training.
Ah! They tricked us! You take the cart.
Huh? Najima!
No way! Those apples belong to the village!
Najima! You need to get off the cart! There's a cliff up ahead! We're gonna save those apples together. You are getting on my last nerve.
Give me a leg up!
Yeah!
How do we save the apples now? How do you like them apples? Hero!
Surprise, Shoko!
I'll make you Beachy Nitties pay for
I hear you've displayed great bravery today, Najima. And who knows, maybe when you're older, you can come and train at the dojo with us.
Yay! Najima, I need to apologize for lying to you earlier. I never should have led you to believe you were a real ninja.
It's okay.
I may not be a ninja yet, but I did defeat a samurai in the end.
Oh!
And that is worthy of a real ninja.
Ah! That's it! Give it to me!